First, I have just washed my face. Put this moisturizer, and I have a dry skin, so just be careful with the products what you're gonna use it on your face. Might be I have a dry skin, you will have some other skin, so oily and combination. I have very dry skin, so I generally use this cream, Lancome cream, and this is very hydrating. So I simply use this cream on my face every day, and this is Kale's avocado cream, and it's quite famous for eye cream. It's very hydrating. I generally put it below my eyes before doing any makeup, or even on regular basis. Every day also I use this cream. After putting eye cream, I'm gonna use this Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It's very hydrating foundation with full coverage, and this is really good for dry skin. So I'm using it from quite long. So I will definitely recommend it to everyone who ever have dry skin. So you have to just put take 2-3 pumps, and you just put a little bit on your skin. So no need to put excess foundation on your skin, because it's gonna be day look and everyday look. So I don't want to look very heavy, but you can use it according to your skin, because I don't need that much. And whatever blemishes or dark spots I have on my face, I'm gonna hide it with the concealer. I'm gonna tell you how to do it after this. After this, I'm gonna take this concealer. This is contour, highlight, anything you can do with the concealer, but careful with the color what you're gonna choose it. This is also from Too Faced, and it's very good product. It's a full coverage, and I'm gonna use it in the middle of my nose, and for my dark circles I'm gonna use it very carefully. Never use it like this, always make a V, and you can just see the difference after using concealer. And then whatever the product is left with you, this is Anastasia eyeshadow palette. I'm not gonna use any extra brush, so you can guys have a good understanding of eye makeup. This product comes with this palette, so I'm gonna use this only. With a thick side, with this side, I'm gonna use this Unity color, which is very light color. So you just put this shade on your whole eyelid. You can see the difference between both the eyes. It's just like you have put highlighter on your eyes. I'm gonna take this shade, mauve shade, is lower from this palette, and I'm gonna put it on my lid, upper lid like this, on crease, and just nicely blend it. For your closer look, I'm just coming towards the camera, and just from the back side, just move your hand in a round shape. You can just see the difference. And on the other side also, this is very pigmented products, so just careful with the product. It's very high pigmented, so just whenever you take some product on your brush, just dab it so some extra product will go away. And then again on the other side of your eye, crease, upper lid, just move your brush from like a circle, and then on the corner side of your eye, just make it a round circle. It will give you very good effect. Then with the flat side, on the other side of the brush, you can just see it's the same brush I'm using, and it's the flat brush. So you can take any similar sort of color. I'm gonna take this color, it's dimension, and I'm gonna take some color and I just put it in the center of only in the center, because we have to put the final shade on the outer side. So for the other eye also, just simply use your finger to dab it so it will blend nicely on your eye. I'm telling you very basic things, so you don't use any extra tools and all. So this is going to be very basic tutorial. And after that, definitely you have to use your kajal on your eyes, and later on we're gonna move to the last eyeshadow. Any product, any kajal you can use on your face. I'm using this Lakme kajal. So, and this is very basic kajal, you can get it. Any of kajal you can use. It's okay if it doesn't come in a proper shape, because I practice a lot. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm using this Benefit eyebrow brow pencil. So first I'll take this spoolie and I'll comb my eyebrows, and after that just gonna take it and always do it on the front side, and then give shape of your this eyebrow. Just you can just see the difference. I used this mocha color from Fenty Beauty for contouring, and just a little bit on the side of my nose. Then again I'll take my beauty blender and I just blend it. And on the side of my nose also. Then again I'll take my powder brush and I'll take a little bit of powder, and then I just dip all over my face with very light hand. And then I'll use mascara on my eyes. I don't prefer to use false lashes because I don't want to feel very heavy on my eyes. It's my day look also, and every day I generally don't prefer to use it because it doesn't make you feel comfortable. So I'm not a lash person, so I try to use mostly mascara. And I'm using Benefit mascara, and this is roller lash, and I find it quite good. You can just see my lashes from closer look. These are going quite up. To just roll it towards upper side. You can just see the difference after mascara. And then I'm gonna use my blush, and this is Milani's Luminoso brush, and it's quite old and I'm very obsessed with this blush. And this is my Real Technique blush brush, or you don't want to use this, it's completely okay. They give one small brush with it. You have to just take a little bit of product and just remove the excess of the product and just come on the apple of your cheeks in the center and just go towards upside. See, everybody have their different way to do it. This is my way to do it, and you can just see how does it come out. I don't prefer very dark blush on my face because anyways it's gonna be natural look. So I can show you with my closer look how does it look. Just it's not too much, so it's very natural. And after this we are just gonna put this is gonna be a lip gloss from MAC, and it's in the shade of, this is lip gloss from MAC, and it's in the shade of Brilliant Labyrinth. Sorry for my what I'm pronouncing, I don't know. But always whenever you are putting your lip liner, always make a lip line. Whatever product you're using, it doesn't matter, it's really gonna give you. I have this natural, I use it generally on almost all my lip shades, and this is NYX SPL 858. I'm gonna mention all the products. One good tip for you, if you make little bold dark eyes, smoky eyes, maybe with dark liner, never use two things together, dark lips, dark eyes. Always use light shade of lips with dark eyes, or dark bright shade with natural tone color of eyeshadows, like we use it for our lip shades and nail paints, generally like that. It's very summery. You can just simply see it look like this, and it's really going with the shade of my crease because that's also a little pinkish mauvish, and this is also. So we are almost done, and after this this is my look. You can just go on, and this is my look, and I'm gonna just simply spray so it will look more hydrated and it will not look. After putting gloss, I'm gonna use this mauve shade from 85 number from Sephora, and it's a lip normal lip color, and I just take a little bit and this is my complete look with the